If Kent Hovind can have the Hovind theory, then by golly, I can have the Paulson theory. The following is my theory to one of the age-old questions about Noah's Ark. Why was there no genetic bottleneck effect when Noah and his family got off the Ark? For this, I will be using a combination of apologetics and scientific stipulation, because these always go so well together. If you wipe out a huge swath of the population of any animal, the only diversity is more than likely in family groups, or of one geographic area. If so, they will have little genetic variation. However, there is one part of the tale that misotheists ignore. This was not only a cataclysmic event, and there are many instances of animals fleeing from natural disasters before they happen, but it was also divine. If I wanted to preserve a species, I would ensure that there was significant genetic variation between both the male and the female. Now on to Shem, Ham, and Japheth. It seems that the match that the Lord chose for each of them would follow the same general pattern as the animals. While I could go into all the traits of the human genome, let us keep it simple for now. There are 3 genes that control for skin color. If all 3 are purely dominant, the child will have the darkest of dark skin. And if the child has 3 recessive genes, she will be lost in a snowstorm. Imagine that Shem represented one end of the genetic spectrum and his wife the other. This is with all of the other varying traits across the genome following the same pattern. Then, combined with how quickly they spread across the Earth, there would be no bottleneck effect. Check my science. This would work out. Granted, there is divine intervention, but it was His will that all would not perish. And so the Lord found the most efficient way to save His creation. It is only by the use of science and reason that we are able to understand the fullness of His reason.